obtuse angle, reflex angle, right angle, straight angle, complete angle किसको बोले यार? 360.
Language first, understanding first, and skills first.
Engoplus, your plan has worked wonders. Now that all the animals are outside, there is enough space in the house for all the family.
One morning, he created his backpack filled with food, a map, rope, and other essential equipment, and set off on his journey. एक सुबह उन्हें अपना खाना बैग पैक कराया और एक मैप रोप लिया और अपनी जर्नी की स्टार्ट करा.
I saw one small snake in the jungle which was valuable.
I go to assembly hall. I read national anthem and prayer. I comes to class. After I come to class,
Hello everyone, my name is Sayyid Latif. I am studying in Engoplus Science Center.
Good morning everyone. I am studying in Engoplus Science Center. My topic name is the school bell.
My title is class monitor. Once upon a time, there was a village. In that village, one school is there.
see so many bulbs, but I like only one bulb, that is Samsung Ultra S25.
I will open one hospital. After that, I will check the patient.
Last Sunday, Rahat went to market with her mother. They bought some fresh vegetables and some fruits.
At Engoplus, we do not sell marks, we build the foundations.